Upon opening NousNav, you enter the Patients tab, in which you can either add new patients or open previously loaded patients. The specific buttons include 1. Open Patient. If a patient has been previously added to the NousNav DICOM database, using the Add Patient from DICOM button, you can click on the patient in the top left table. Once the patient name is highlighted in blue, you may load them in. 2. Close Patient. If a patient is already opened in NousNav, you can clear the software and remove the patient. 3. Open Patient List. This opens a list of all patients previously opened with NousNav and available in the NousNav DICOM database. 4. Add Patient from DICOM. This button gives access to the currently active DICOM database within NousNav. In this, the user can move through all the patients, studies, and series numbers that are available in the DICOM database, loading the appropriate series on which they want to navigate. By clicking this button, the user gets options to add additional folders to the DICOM database, seen as Add Folders to DICOM Database, which opens their computer's File Explorer, and to close the DICOM database, seen as Close DICOM Database. An important note is that external drives, such as CDs and thumb drives, can be treated as a DICOM database, but will not be accessible after the drive has been removed. Users should ideally load the data directly onto their device. Once the user has loaded in some imaging, they can scroll through the slices in the viewers, and then they can move to the next pane using the Go to Planning button in the bottom right.